Today we are checking back in with Terra's Luna coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Luna go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Luna chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Luna or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But as you can see, Luna has been on an absolute rip, and quite frankly, Luna has been the coin that has been driving the overall market at the moment, with Do Kwon backing it with, of course, $3 billion worth of Bitcoin. So he's in the process of driving Bitcoin prices up by purchasing it basically at this point in time. So overall, it has been absolutely fantastic, and you can see our cup and handle was certainly absolutely true as we saw here, and we have now started to move in the right direction. We hit a new all-time high. How exciting. 110 US dollars per Luna. That is absolutely phenomenal, and I'm stoked that we managed to see it. Interestingly enough, we're now currently sitting at $106, which is, I believe, our previous all-time high. I'm going to extend this line out here, and you can see this is a major point. And yep, over here, as you can see, previous all-time high, $106. We have price action yesterday on that, as well as today, and we're currently resting on that. It is now acting as a major point of support for us. So all in all, looking very, very good from that perspective. Things do appear to be cooling off a bit though, as today we've not seen, I suppose, the price of Luna trying to run anymore, and I expect if we then go to the RSI, you'll see that we were almost overbought. I would have said we were overbought, but as you can see here, almost overbought at 68.31. We've now dropped to 65.17. Wouldn't be surprised if we see some, I suppose, downward or sideways action over the next few days, or maybe not even days, hours, just as this starts to cool off a bit, because things have of course been moving very, very quickly. As you can see, volume wise, it's not actually insane at the moment. We've seen much larger volumes in previous runs, so I think that really shows this could just be the beginning of a potential new bull cycle for Luna, and of course with the rest of the market going up as well, a potential bull cycle for the rest of the overall crypto market. So very, very exciting times, as you can see here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these lines now as they are irrelevant. I'm going to remove this one here. I'll leave in place this long-term sort of uptrend line that is still, in my opinion, quite important, and I will as well extend out this key point of support for us, which is sitting just here at 90 US dollars. I want to go the hourly because I think that's really going to give us a bit better perspective on what's been going on over the past few days. And as you can see here, what it looks like is we are consistently getting these flag patterns forming, a bit like this. Another one obviously over here as well, and we are breaking out each time. This time we managed to obviously hit our all-time highs. We are coming down, but it does look like we are slightly dipping below where the support point is. We are at 106, but you know, things are a bit different now. We are sitting below the moving average here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do, as I mentioned previously, start to see a little bit of a dip occur. Let's go back to the daily chart now, and I'm just going to reset that one so we can see a bit better. And of course, as well, what I want to do is have a look at a final indicator, which is the MACD. And on the MACD, we have just seen a bullish cross, which is pretty incredible given the fact that, you know, we've had such big price action and barely any of a red period over the past, I suppose, few weeks. The red period was very, very shallow here. So a cross right now is incredible, and things are looking very, very positive. Based on the cross, I have to say the momentum's probably actually going to continue. The little bit of respite we are seeing now is probably only going to last, I suppose, maybe a day or a few hours, and I think we are going to be on the move very, very soon back in the right direction. So all in all, right now I am extremely bullish on Luna, as I always have been. You guys know I'm always very bullish on Luna, and as they always say, history repeats itself. So look what we have here. Flag patterns occurring before breakouts. Cup and handles are occurring before breakouts. We've seen this time and time again through the Luna chart. Look, cup, handle, breakout. And consistently these flag patterns, then breakouts occur. So what I think we are seeing right now, and this is probably I suppose more on the hypothetical side of things, we could be seeing right now a nice little flag pattern starting to form itself in this sort of a manner. Not 100% sure, I don't think I can be, but I don't really think, we're going to see a huge drop, but I'd be expecting the flag pattern would move in this sort of a direction. There we go, let's just plonk that one right there. That would be the flag patterns movements, but we are sitting on that $106 mark, so it might be a little pennant. As you can see, the pennant sort of formed itself in there with the base being that $106. Otherwise, a little flag pattern start to occur before what we see being a breakout occur, much like that. That wraps up today's analysis on Luna, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below, and I'm sure if you are a Luna holder like myself, you'd be very, very excited for what the future holds, as well as the current bull cycle that we are in. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, make sure you do leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.